In today's video, I'll show you how to connect HubSpot to your social media accounts. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, tracking engagement, or just trying to simplify your workflow, linking HubSpot to your social platforms is a smart way to centralize your efforts and boost your online presence. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Once you're on the homepage, click the Launch Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials and make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple brands or client profiles. After logging in, you'll land on your Show HubSpot dashboard, the main hub where you can manage analytics, marketing tools, and automation features. To begin connecting your social media accounts, head to the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens the settings menu where you can customize your account and integrate other tools. Inside the settings panel, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the marketing section. Click on it, and under marketing, select social. This is where all your social media integrations and campaign management tools live. From here, you'll be able to publish posts, monitor engagement, and analyze performance across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X, formerly Twitter. Now, let's connect your social accounts. Click the Connect Account eBay button within the social section. You'll see a list of supported social platforms. Choose the one you want to link first, for example, Facebook, and sign in using your page or business credentials. HubSpot will ask for permission to manage your account and access certain data, and approve these permissions to complete the connection. Repeat this process for any other social media platforms you'd like to add. Once connected, you'll see all your accounts listed under the social settings page. From there, you can start creating and scheduling posts directly within HubSpot, track audience engagement, and get insights into your performance, all from one convenient dashboard. A quick tip: make sure you connect official business accounts rather than personal ones. This helps protect your privacy, keeps your campaigns professional, and ensures analytics reflect your brand's real audience. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your HubSpot account to your social media profiles. This integration makes it easier than ever to plan content, manage marketing efforts, and analyze your results without switching between multiple apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech and marketing tips. See you in the next one, and happy marketing with HubSpot.